Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So in today's video, we'll be using my square extra short soft gel full nail covers. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'll be sure to have the link to these down below. I'm just going in and sizing them out and making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. For our application, we'll be using Polygel to adhere the soft gel full nail covers. And the Polygel I'll be using is this Beetles Polygel, and I'll be using alcohol as my slip solution and this Model 1's Polygel brush. I absolutely love this Beetles Polygel. This is linked down below in my Amazon storefront. I love this Polygel because it's very easy to work with. It's not sticky or gooey, slimy. It's a very nice thick consistency, so it makes it super easy to work with, especially if you're a beginner to using Polygel. So I definitely recommend Beetles Polygel and giving them a try. But all I'm doing is going in and making sure that the Polygel is fully covering the nail wall to wall. I'm just applying a dime size amount. You get used to the amount the more that you do this method and work with Polygel, but I'm just applying a dime size amount, and if there is excess, then you do just want to make sure that you remove that before applying it to your nail. Now, after applying to your nail, if you do happen to get any excess Polygel around the edges or on the cuticle area, you do want to make sure that you remove that fully before curing as well, because it just makes the process harder if you cure and then you try and remove after, because now it's solid. So it just makes it harder to remove than just swiping with your brush. So you want to make sure that you're removing as much as possible before curing. As you can see here, I do multiple nails at once before curing, and that just helps eliminate the time that your hand is in and out of that UV lamp. As you guys know, the UV LED lamp used to cure gels, polygels, polishes. It's not the safest, so if you can eliminate the time that your hand is in that lamp, instead of curing every single nail and curing maybe 2 at a time, 4 at a time, and always curing your thumb separately, it just helps you in the long run not have your hand in that UV lamp as often. So as you can see here, I probably did 2 nails and then I cured the rest. You always do want to make sure that you're curing your thumb separately, because your thumb does need that special attention. But yeah, this process is super quick, super simple. You guys have probably seen me do this 1,000,001 times, so I'm just going to sit back, let you guys watch me work, and then I'll be back once all 5 fingers are cured. So now I'm going to go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, and I'm just going to wipe my nails down before we go in and file. These are soft gel full nail covers already pre-shaped for you, so the filing process is super quick and super easy. And that's what I love about using soft gel full nail covers. If you have problems shaping or filing like I do, definitely give them a try because they make the whole process of doing nails so much faster and so much easier, and less stressful, less of a headache. So I'm just going in with an 80/80 grit. I'm going in with an 80/80 grit nail file. This is available for purchase on Amazon, and the link to these specific ones used in this video is on my Amazon storefront as well, and I have the link listed below in the description. But I'm just going in and I'm really just focusing on the tops of the nails. That's what's really most important. Some people like a more rounded top, some people like a flatter, like a sharp square top. It just depends on your preference. And then I'm just going in and making sure that the sides are nice and filed perfectly. Apologies for the shakiness of the camera. I had my camera attached to my desk, which was a bad idea, so I'll definitely be sure to in future videos to remove that. So just apologies for the inconvenience there. But I'm going in with these cuticle clippers here, and I'm just, if you have any really bulky edges, you can use those to clip. But one thing I forgot to mention when doing the polygel and actually applying it is to flip your nails over and flatten the underneath of your nails. So for some of them I didn't do it, and you can kind of see the bulkiness in this video, but it's a perfect example of what you should not do. So make sure that you're turning your hand over before curing and flattening the underneath of your nail, and then go in and cure. Alright, so after you dust all that off, if you did fully prep your nails at that point, you could go ahead and wash your hands. I did not do full prep in this video. If you're interested in how to prep your nails fully so they last you upwards of 2+ weeks, check out the link in my description. I have a video of my full prep routine. But I'm going in with some Model 1's gel top coat. This top coat is also linked down below in my Amazon storefront. It's my favorite. I rave about it in quite literally almost every single video. It just stays shiny for super long. So I love this gel polish, and I definitely recommend this top coat. So for the design, I'm just doing some stars, decals, and some rhinestones, all of which have either been purchased on Amazon or Shein. I get a lot of my nail art from Shein because it's cheaper, but also available on Amazon as well. I'm not sure where I purchased this specific set of sheets from, but if I can find a link, I'll be sure to link it down below. These are probably very typical, common. You could probably find these anywhere, but I'll try and find something and put it in the description. These stickers were very high quality. The glue, the stickiness on it was perfection. Some stickers, if you cheap out and they are kind of on the cheaper end, they don't stick well. These were very high quality. I was very impressed. So I'm just going in with that, and then I'm gonna apply some little tiny rhinestones in between the stars. And to apply it, I'm using this drill point rhinestone adhesion gel. You do have to cure this, but as you guys know, I've been using this, probably the same exact bottle on my channel now for the past 2 years, and it has yet to run out. This is purchased off Amazon. If you do stones, rhinestones like this, then go on ahead and add it to your cart. It's in my Amazon storefront. The link's down below. It's an essential in your nail kit for sure. It has this drill point tip, which makes like precision very, very easy when applying rhinestones. So it's definitely an essential, and it lasts a long time. If you do nails solo on your own, by yourself, on yourself, it'll last you a long time. Like I said, it's probably been 2 years, and I have yet to run out. So the last and final step is cuticle oil. You do want to make sure that you use a cuticle oil, but here's the final look. Super quick and simple design. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next video. Bye!